Hi everyone. Wishes for the day. We are from Technical Building Analyzer. We are here to help you for improvement of technical building maintenance work of smooth operation without any affection. Today we are going to see the topic is basics of building maintenance services. What are the topics and what is the purpose of those? The electrical power supply to a building involves the delivery of electricity from an external source to the building's internal electrical system. Here's an overview of the components and process involved. The building is connected to the local utility grid, which supplies electricity. This connection is typically made through an electrical service entrance point on the exterior of the building. The service entrance includes components like the main electrical panel, MDB, which houses circuit breakers, ACB, and is the entry point for electricity into the building. It also contains the main disconnect switch that allows the entire building's power to be shut off. A utility meter is installed by the utility company to measure the amount of electricity consumed by the building. This meter tracks usage for billing purposes. Inside the building, the main electrical panel is connected to various circuits and distribution boards that route electricity to different areas, rooms, and electrical devices. Safety measures such as ground fault circuit interrupters, GFCIs, surge protectors, and overcurrent protection devices are installed to prevent electrical hazards like shocks, short circuits, or overloads. The water supply system for a building involves the delivery of clean and potable water from an external source to the various points of use within the building. Here's an overview of how water is supplied to a building. Buildings are typically connected to a municipal water supply system provided by local authorities. A water meter is installed by the water utility company to measure the amount of water consumed by the building. This meter records the usage for billing purposes. The water main is the primary pipe that carries water from the municipal supply to the building. Service lines branch off the main and connect to the building's plumbing system, usually entering the building through a designated service entrance point. In some cases, especially in larger buildings or areas with fluctuating water supply, storage tanks or reservoirs are installed to ensure a constant supply of water. Buildings often have a separate system for delivering hot water, which includes water heaters or boilers that heat the water before distributing it to taps and appliances. An air quality system in a building refers to various mechanisms and components designed to maintain and improve the quality of indoor air. It's crucial for ensuring a healthy and comfortable environment for occupants. Ventilation involves the exchange of indoor and outdoor air to maintain air quality and remove pollutants. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. It refers to the system responsible for controlling the indoor climate of buildings, ensuring comfort, air quality, and temperature regulation. Air conditioning systems control indoor temperature and humidity levels. Compressor. This circulates and compresses refrigerant, changing it from a low-pressure gas to a high-pressure liquid, releasing heat in the process. Condenser coil, located in the outdoor unit, it dissipates heat from the refrigerant. Evaporator coil, located in the indoor unit, it absorbs heat from indoor air and cools it. Refrigerant, it cycles between the indoor and outdoor units, absorbing and releasing heat as it changes between liquid and gas states. Expansion valve regulates the flow of refrigerant between the high pressure and low pressure sides of the system. BMS stands for Building Management System, also known as Building Automation System, BUS, or Building Control System, BCS. It's a centralized control system that monitors and manages various building services and systems to ensure efficient operation, comfort, safety, and security within a facility. The BMS integrates different components and subsystems of a building into a unified platform, allowing centralized control, monitoring, and automation of various functions. These can include HVAC systems, lighting control, security and access control, fire and life safety systems, energy management, water management, environmental controls, equipment monitoring and maintenance. Fire alarm systems are designed to detect and alert people within a building or structure in the event of a fire. These systems consist of various components that work together to detect the presence of fire, smoke, or heat and then notify occupants to evacuate and alert emergency responders. Key components include smoke detectors. These devices detect smoke particles in the air and trigger an alarm when smoke is present. Heat detectors. Heat detectors sense rapid changes in temperature, signaling an alarm when temperatures reach a certain threshold. Fire alarm control panel, the central hub of the system, receiving signals from detectors and initiating alarms or notifications. Notification appliances, these include sirens, horns, strobe lights, or voice evacuation systems that alert occupants when a fire is detected. Manual pull stations, wall-mounted devices that allow individuals to manually activate the fire alarm in case of emergency. Firefighting systems are designed to suppress or extinguish fires and prevent their spread. They include various tools, equipment, and systems aimed at controlling or extinguishing fires in different environments. Common firefighting systems include fire extinguishers, portable devices containing extinguishing agents like water, foam, dry chemical powder, or CO2, used to extinguish small fires. Sprinkler systems, automatic fire suppression systems that release water or other extinguishing agents when heat triggers them. They are typically installed in ceilings and activated by high temperatures. Fire hydrants, fixed water outlets connected to a water supply that firefighters can use to access water for firefighting. Fire suppression systems, these systems, such as gas-based suppression systems or foam-based systems, suppress fires in enclosed areas or sensitive environments without using water. Fire hose reels, installed in buildings. These reels provide a controlled water supply for firefighting efforts. Fire blankets, used to smother small fires or wrap around a person to protect them while evacuating. Emergency and exit lights are crucial components of building safety systems, providing illumination and guidance during emergency situations, such as fires or power outages, to help occupants evacuate safely. Exit signs are installed to clearly indicate the location of emergency exits and escape routes. A generator is a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. It functions by using the principles of electromagnetic induction to produce an electrical current. Generators are commonly used as backup power sources in various settings, providing electricity when the primary power supply from the grid fails or during situations where electricity needs to be generated independently.